How to give Robux to friends. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send or give Robux to your friends within Roblox. So if you have some extra Robux laying around and you're trying to give those to your friend, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do that. Now, before we get too deep into this video, I do want to say that there is no way to just directly send Robux to people on Roblox. So what we have to do is kind of use a workaround through groups. And while this is the best method I found to send Robux to people on Roblox, there is a 30% fee when you're doing this. All right, so to get started with giving Robux to friends, the first thing we need to do is open up a browser on our computer, Chromebook, or phone, go to roblox.com and log into our account. Once we get there, go open to the top left to open the menu, and then you just want to go down to groups. Now, the first thing we need to do is actually create a group. We need to be the owner of a group. So if you haven't already done that, from the groups page, go down and select create group, go through the process of naming your group, and then this will cost 100 Robux to create a group. Once you've created your Roblox group, we just want to select that group from the groups page and then go to store. Now, when you get to store, there most likely will be no items here. So what we're going to do is actually add an item. Now, if you're the owner of this group, you should see create or manage group items, select that. And then once here, we will need to upload a shirt. Now, really, it does not matter what the design of the shirt looks like. If you have a design you want to upload, or if you made a design for a shirt, you can do that. But if not, you can simply go right here, download the template, save that to your computer. And now that we've downloaded the file, we can find the file on our computer, give it a unique name, and then you will need to pay 10 Robux to upload that shirt to our group. So go ahead and do that. Confirm. And then as you can see, the shirt has been uploaded right here, and we could see it under the group creations. Now that we've uploaded our shirt, go to the right of the shirt where you see this gear, select that and go to configure. In here, you can set the name and also add a description. What we want to do in the left side under configure shirt is go to sales and then item for sale. Make sure you toggle that on so that the item can be sold. From here, we can simply set an amount to sell that shirt for. I'll do 20 Robux, but as you can see, Roblox does take a fee out of that. They take 30%. So if I sell the shirt for 20 Robux, I will only have 14 Robux to give to my friends. Go ahead and set your price and then select save. Now that we've set the price, we need to go back to general right here and then go up to the top right and select go to details. Now, as you can see, because I uploaded this shirt, I currently own it. In order for us to actually give Robux to our friends, we need to buy it from our group. And because we already own it, we won't be able to buy it. So we need to go up on the top right, select the three dots, and then delete from our inventory so then we can buy it. Confirm yes, you want to delete it. And now, as you can see, we have the option to buy the shirt. So all we need to do is select buy now, and then the purchase is complete, and we now own the shirt. Now we can go back to the group where we uploaded the shirt. So I'll go into the left menu here and select groups, and then go to that group. Then go to the right of the group name, select the three dots, and go to configure group. After that, go in the left menu and select revenue, and then go to summary. You can now see that we have pending Robux from the sale of that shirt in here. As you can see, these are pending Robux. So it'll take a couple days, and then those funds will be released to the group, and then we can send them to our friends. After a couple days, once they're released, to send them to our friends, all we need to do is go to the revenue, go to payouts, and then go to one-time payout. Once the funds are no longer pending, they'll show up under one-time payout, and all our friend has to do is join our group, and then on this page, we will be able to enter their name and send them Robux. All right, so that's how you give Robux to friends. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.